Hi guys, good evening. My name is Clinton Brito. I've been studying with Captain Panigrahi under his institution of Marine Mine Academy. What I would like to say is Captain Panigrahi has done a very good job in teaching us and getting us prepared for our UK exams. He has made sure that all of us have known our basics, and mostly he helps us to understand the questions and the notes what was given by him. He never makes us to mug up things. He makes us understand to the course so that we don't have to struggle in our exams. He makes sure that our basics are strong, and yes, and the notes that he has given us is done a very good job in all aspects. So I would like to say, please, if you really want to clear your exams in first attempt, I would say please contact Captain Panigrahi and he'll do the needful. Thank you so much.